Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2011 Harley Davidson Sportster Nightster, and this is in vivid black. We've got the taller handlebars, Harley Davidson grips, got this really nice silver pinstriping with the silver logo. This is the 1200 cubic inch engine, and it also has the Vance & Hines exhaust, and it's pretty loud. Not crazy, but pretty loud. We do have some quick disconnect systems set up, probably for a sissy bar, and we have a solo seat, but passenger pegs. Again, 2011 Sportster Nightster. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.